We're going to run a dependent measures anova test and SPSS. Our question today is, does the type of treat affect the number of times the cat uses the litter box in a day? So the independent variable here is treats. The levels are no treats, a cat treat, or human food. And the dependent variable is the amount of times the litter box is being used in the day. So first thing we're going to go ahead and let you know in this portion, so we're in data view right now, because this is a dependent measures test. This is a within subjects design, which means these group of 10 kittens will going to be the same 10 kittens throughout the whole experiment, just over the time of 3 weeks. So each week they get a different type of food or no food at all, and that is what we'll be measuring. So each participant has their own row. So because there are 10 cats going through the experiment over time, there will be 10 rows. So the first thing we're going to do is go to variable view, and we're going to input each independent variable separately. So we're going to say no treat here, cat treat here, human food here, and each independent measure is going to be sent to nominal for the measuring scale. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and go back to data view and then go ahead and put in the data. So like I said, each cat has its own row. So for example, this first cat right here, when they had no treats, they used the litter box once a day. When they had a cat treat, they used the litter box once a day. And when they had human food, they used the litter box 3 times a day. And then we'll go ahead and go on to the next cat and put all 10 cats in. Okay, now that all the data is in, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Analyze, and then we're going to scroll down to the General Linear Model, and then we're going to go ahead and click on Repeated Measures. We're going to name the within subject factor name after our independent variable, which is treats. And the number of levels, of course, we have 3, none, cat treat, and human food. And then we're going to click add. Then we're going to click define. And then we're going to move each level to the within subjects variable. Then we're going to click em means. And we're going to move the independent variable to display means 4. Then we're going to check the box for comparing main effects. Then continue. And then we're going to click on plots. We're going to move the independent variable to the horizontal axis. And then click add, and then continue. Then go ahead and click OK.